Growing up, I was an Iowa State fan. My parents both went to Iowa State, so it was just a very natural decision. I know that Ames always felt like home for me, and I knew that it would be very full circle, and I never heard anything bad from anybody who came here. Science and art classes were always my outlet. Those were always my favorite. I was very fortunate that my dad was a dentist, so I knew that dentistry combined science and art. Anatomy class my senior year of high school, I absolutely loved, and I was trying to figure out how I could incorporate those kind of classes into college. And I remember a friend of mine talking about how kinesiology was very anatomy and the human movement based, and I was sold. It's been very hands-on and collaborative. I've been able to meet so many other students in my classes. I never realized how many relationships you'd make with your professors and TAs and advisors, and everyone is just genuinely there to help you and help you succeed. It was really what I needed to help become a better student. I'm a part of Senior Class Council, and we help plan the senior weeks to celebrate seniors at Iowa State in both the fall and spring semesters. And today we have Wieners for Seniors, which is hot dogs, cookies, chips, and just a time to celebrate and gather students together. My parents actually met on Senior Class Council. I remember them always talking about that, but then when I got here and I got an email, I believe, about it, I was like, oh, this is where my parents met. Like, I have to be a part of this. So ever since freshman year, I knew I wanted to get involved in this way, just another full circle moment. And now it's really cool to think that I'm going through a lot of the same processes and celebrations as the seniors that my parents did.